Aiden, what is this? What's this?
Open.
What you want? Pin ah? Where pin? See, mommy, see? Is it better? What is this? Let's play this Builder's Toolkit. Okay, let's open, see. Open. What is that? Hammer. Hammer's for what, Aiden? Nail, yes. Drill. What's that?
So.
Yeah, saw to cut. Yeah, the saw. Cut the wood, right? Saw the wood. What's that? Screw. Good boy. What's that? How do you screw? What you use to screw?
Screwdriver.
Yes, screwdriver to screw. Yes, good boy. What else do you have? What's that?
Boot.
Yes, it's a bolt. What else do you have?
Mama.
What do you use to turn the bolt? What do you use?
Mama.
What's that called? What's that called?
Mama.
Hmm?
Mama.
What is this, Aiden? What's this?
Wrench.
Yes, good boy. It's a wrench. Can we put that back inside? Can we put back inside?
Hammer.
Can you give me? Okay. Hammer. Give me the hammer. Hammer is to hammer what? Can I have? Bang, bang. Yes. Hammer the nail. Can I have the nail? Yes. Next we're going to put the drill back. Come. Next. What else you have?
Boot.
Boot is behind. Where are?
Boot.
Boot. Okay, good boy.
Wrench.
Can you find the wrench? Yes, the wrench. Stick back nicely. What else you have, Aiden? Yes.
Balloon.
I know you have a balloon. Aiden? Can you give me this? Can you give me the saw? Aiden, where's the saw? Can you give me the saw? Where's the saw? Where's the saw? Thank you, Aiden. How about this? What's this?
Cool.
Give me the screw. Good boy. What you use to screw the screw? What you use? Give me. This one. What's this? What's this?
Driver.
Yes, screwdriver. Finished. So what's... So I give you back. What is this? Yeah, finished. What are you doing, Aiden? Oh, take out again. Okay, okay. Can play. Mommy just put in. Oh.
Come on.
What?
Neil.
Yes, new. Smart boy. Clever boy, huh?